Is cryptocurrency a good investment in 2025? Imagine this. You're standing at a crossroads. On one side, you're watching others build generational wealth, cruising through life with financial freedom. On the other, you see the same old story of missed opportunities and what could have been. The question is, which path will you take? Cryptocurrency has been called many things: a bubble, a revolution, a scam, and the future. But here's the million-dollar question. Is it a good investment in 2025? Before you decide, let me warn you. This video will challenge your perspective, make you question your beliefs, and, if you stick around, might just give you the edge you're looking for. And no, you don't have to be a tech wizard or live in your mom's basement to get it. Let's bust that myth right away. Let's break this down step by step. First, we need to talk about the current state of crypto. Then we'll explore the risks and rewards. And finally, we'll reveal the strategies smart investors are using to navigate this market. Sound good? Let's dive in. 1. The current state of crypto in 2025. Crypto in 2025 isn't what it was 5 years ago. Back then, it was the Wild West. Hype, volatility, and yes, a lot of scams. But today, it's a maturing market. Governments are creating clearer regulations, and institutional investors are diving in. Companies like Tesla, Amazon, and even your local coffee shop are embracing it. Think about it. What if you could own a piece of the next financial revolution? Doesn't that sound electrifying? But let's not get too excited. After all, FOMO, fear of missing out, has been responsible for some truly terrible investment decisions. Remember Dogecoin on SNL night? Yeah, let's not talk about it. But here's the thing. Not all coins are created equal. Some could skyrocket, others could vanish. So how do you tell the difference? Hold that thought. 2. The risks and rewards. Let's get real. Crypto is not a guaranteed ticket to wealth. The market's volatility can make or break you. Just last year, Bitcoin swung from $15,000 to $40,000 and back again. Are you prepared for that roller coaster? Here's the nightmare scenario. You invest your hard-earned money, and overnight, the market crashes, leaving you with pennies. Terrifying, right? But here's the flip side. What if you invested wisely and turned those same dollars into a fortune? It's like dating. Some investments are like that flaky Tinder match, full of promises, but gone by morning. Others, long-term, reliable, and worth the effort. So how do you minimize risks and maximize rewards? That brings us to the strategies of smart investors. Smart investors don't chase hype. They do their homework. They diversify their portfolios, focusing on projects with real-world utility. Ethereum for its smart contracts, Solana for its speed, and yes, Bitcoin, the granddaddy of them all. But what's the secret sauce that separates the winners from the losers? It's not just what you invest in, it's how and when. Let me explain. Timing and long-term vision. Timing the market is hard. Even the experts get it wrong. That's why the best strategy is often the simplest, dollar-cost averaging. By investing a fixed amount regularly, you ride out the highs and lows. Over time, this approach has proven to be incredibly effective. But time is running out. The window to invest in this transformative technology at its current scale won't stay open forever. The question is, will you seize it? Or will you be the person telling your grandkids, I almost invested in crypto, but I spent it on avocado toast instead? The big picture. Here's the bottom line. Cryptocurrency isn't just an investment. It's a shift in how we think about money, ownership, and opportunity. In 2025, being an early adopter means more than just potential profits. It's about being part of a movement. But remember, every investment comes with risks. So the question isn't just, should you invest? It's, are you ready to take control of your financial future? Now it's your move. Will you let this moment pass, or will you take the leap into the future? Your financial destiny is in your hands. Make it count. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Together, let's build a smarter, wealthier future. See you in the next video.